Thursday morning. It is day 7 of our Christmas vacation. I determined last night that any noise I make holding this GoPro near it, it's gonna be really loud. So that was probably really loud. So I need to be mindful of that. I found that out editing yesterday. And sometimes whenever I'm filming, if I'm sitting still talking, I get like fidgety with the camera. Yeah, I can't do that either because you could hear that in the video. But it is day 7. So today we are at home again, but not because we're snowed in, but because we have family coming over. One of our nieces is coming over and my mother-in-law for a couple hours. So we went ahead and plugged the tree back up. I don't know why this started as a thing, but in my family, like once Christmas was done, the tree didn't get turned back on even. And then like you were to pack it down before New Year's. And it was like considered bad luck if you didn't. I don't know. So like I just had left it unplugged. I didn't really think about it intentionally, but I left it unplugged. But she's coming over today and it's for Christmas. We're still on Christmas break. So we went ahead and plugged everything back up today. We're not putting the stockings back up. We don't do that. But I want to go ahead and have it plugged back up. So we're just going to do a short cleaning burst. And then I probably will not film at all while she's here because she's a minor, don't have permission, any of that. And I want to be respectful of that. So we're going to do a cleaning burst. Let me see. Come here. That's really cute. Do you want to show it? Yes. Come here. Go in front of the tree. So she got a present from my mother-in-law who's coming over today. And she wants to show you this. These are so cute. It's one of those like cutesy Pokemon shirts. And I love it. It's so cute. I love that she can still wear kid sizes because they're cute. So yeah, today I'm gonna go finish making my coffee because it's 9:30 and I still haven't had coffee. My goal was actually to take trash off today because I wanted to just get it taken off today. It's been probably a week since I took it out and I wanted to get it taken off, but I was checking all the delays last night because a lot of things closed because about like our driveway has black ice on it. If I left right now, there's a chance I wouldn't get back up my own driveway. I could go out and salt it, but that like really damages the driveway and I want to just leave it. I'm just going to leave it and see if it will do it on its own, but I'm not even going to bother with it because like I said, so closure. So my driveway has black ice on it. Some of the other back roads do too. So can you see? No, there's no black ice on the lower driveway. It's on the upper, right next to the van. You can't see it. It's black ice. I felt it last night when I was doing video last night. So we're going to wait to take trash off until everything's on a 2-hour delay. And it would normally open at 9. So I'm going to wait until like lunch. See if they're open. If they don't, it's not a huge deal, but because the week between Christmas and New Year's is like crunch time to get trash taken off, or you have to wait until the new year, and I really don't want to, but I will if I have to, but it would be another week, and I really don't want to do that, so we'll wait and see what it is. It's not like a big deal, it's just I've got some boxes from Christmas gifts that I wanted to get off, because right now they're kind of piling up my laundry room, and I need to get laundry done. So speaking of which, let's drink some coffee and tackle that. Just finished up cleaning the stove, oven. Matt helped me with that. part where I washed one part, he washed the other, helped me reassemble and all that, and tighten up all the screws and all that on it. It just really needed done. It's something I usually do before the holidays. Never had time to do it. Plans change. They're not coming over today. Things happen. I don't know what or why, but things happen. That's okay. You know, everybody needs to be able to make decisions for their own life of what things they can and can't do. So now I'm kind of in limbo though, because like I had plans for the rest of the week, like things we wanted to do each day for the rest of vacation, but now I'm not 100% sure what to do today. But I don't want to do like a full-on just cleaning day, because we were going to do that like normally that's how we spend New Year's Eve, is we'll do like cleaning together as a family. We'll snack together, like a charcuterie board for a shark. Apparently, unless it's like specific things, now it has to be charcuterie board. So I'm gonna call it my snack board. So we had a snack board. We're gonna be doing that New Year's Eve, and then New Year's Day we have one church service, and then we'll have the next day after together. So that, or we'll take down the Christmas decor New Year's Eve and clean the day after New Year's. I don't know. But I don't want to do like a full-on cleaning day and everybody feel like they have to clean the full vacation, because that's also not what I want to do for our full vacation. So I don't know. I don't know. We'll kind of wait it out and see what we're going to do from here. So the other night when the wind chill dipped down to -11, and it was like somewhere between 1 to 3 degrees, when Matt woke up, the girls and I were at family's house. Yeah, we decided that we love this heater. It looks like a fireplace. It's beautiful. We love it, but it was not enough. And we needed something that would heat a master bedroom with, bedroom, bathroom, all that. So we went ahead and bought this unit. We love that it has a remote, so that if one of us gets too hot in the middle of the night, we just really don't want to have to get back up out of bed to turn it up and down. We can, but it's super adjustable, so we can turn it warmer during the day, cooler at night like we like. So yeah, that became a necessary purchase. Never thought I'd be buying a new heater because of negative double digits wind chill in East Tennessee. So I had a mom moment today, guys. I was just like, okay, our plans got canceled. I don't really want to clean all day. I don't want to make the kids clean all day. They were looking forward to like a fun family day, and then that changed last minute. So then I didn't want to make everybody have to get up and clean. And if I start getting up and clean, everybody else kind of usually that's how our family works. So if one of us is up cleaning, usually everybody starts getting up and clean. And I didn't want to do that. So we did a little bit of cleaning here and there, like kitchen and stuff. But then I had that mom moment of what do I do if I actually have time to sit down and relax? And then it was the thought hit me, all those things you always say, if I had 5 minutes to sit down and relax, I want to do this. So I pulled out the stack of the November and the December Better Homes and Gardens and Southern Living magazines that were gifted to me. I get a subscription every year. They were gifted to me, and I was like, you know what? I'm going to sit down and read the ones I haven't read from November and December before, January gets here in a couple of days. And then I look over and my sewing pile was right there. My mending pile, there was a crochet blanket that needed some knot work added to it to kind of fine line the little, the graphic lines on it to make it look, neat and pretty. So I was like, you know what? why don't we just do that too? So that's how I ended up spending the rest of my day. Was I was relaxing. I got to read, and I was working on some craft projects and got like 3 things mended. Yeah, 2 things out of the mending pile. One of them is going to be a sewing project that depends on what our plans are for tomorrow, because now that changed too. We may end up doing like some sewing together as a family tomorrow. Well, actually Matt can sew, but the girls and I may work on some sewing projects tomorrow, but we'll see how it goes. But yeah, I had that mom moment today of like, what do I do whenever I don't have anything else to do? My mind is blank. I always have something to do. So I was just like, you know what? It's fine. So I found that to do, and I was like, you know what? This is great. I love being able to do that. And then like later at dinner, I was like, I felt more energetic. I was like, yeah, I've got this. And then we had the lasagna and made it because it's our holiday tradition. We usually do lasagna on the December 23rd, the day before Christmas Eve, and then we usually do it on December 30th. So that we have like easy meal the night before holidays. But we didn't do it for the December 23rd. We were traveling, and on the 30th we may be traveling. So I was like, you know what? Let's just pull it out, have an easy dinner, and then tomorrow we can make other stuff from scratch. But that's it for today, you guys. I hope you kind of enjoyed like another at-home day. We weren't expecting just a normal at-home day, but that's what it turned into. We got dishes caught up and laundry caught up, and now tomorrow we can go into we either may do like a full-on cleaning, undecorating, or I don't know. Let's wait and see what tomorrow holds. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.